Yeah, so this is the my backyard. About a day after the storm ended, you can see I lost a tree right here. Big one of the arborvitae. Wow. Lucky that didn't take out the deck. This looks almost like Colorado right now. But yeah, it's really almost impossible to get out of here right now. Everything's buried. The only reason I'm out here right now is because it's the underside of my deck is protected here. But it's really nice though. I never really liked that arborvitae anyway, but unfortunately for me, this tree is also damaged. Hopefully it survives. It's a really pretty tree. I think it's a rhododendron, I'm not sure. But anyway, we don't often get snows like this. It's really nice. Check out these icicles. Little Asian lanterns frozen. And that's it.